My name is Louis. I'm the Director of International Programs at Collège Saint-Charles in Quebec. I welcome you to this video to present you the program Level 1 that this year is going to be virtual. It's a bursary program built with the government of Newfoundland and Labrador. The main goal is to learn French, but especially to practice French and to get to know other students all over Canada and other countries like Mexico. So there will be plenty of activities, workshops, and many things that we're going to tell you in this video. Also, it's important to say that we know it's summer and we know you have been doing online activities during the whole year. So the schedule is built flexible so you can enjoy your summer at the same time.
Maybe you're wondering if you need some basic level in French. Well, no, there are no requirements. We offer all levels on French from beginners to advanced classes. You'll be taking an online test to ensure that you are put in the right group, and this is not a selection exam. This will help us to have more coherent groups. So together with students the same level as you take two 2-hour classes a week plus 2 1-hour periods dedicated to conversation. All our teachers are francophones or have skills on par with native French speakers. This wonderful team will help you practice and speak French in dynamic classes where you'll be encouraged to share and interact with your classmates.
Indeed, a wide variety of activities are on the program. You can choose them in advance according to your interests. They will allow you to interact with the other people in the program while practicing your French skills. For example, there will be workshops, conversation clubs, well-being activities, virtual readings, and more.
Clubs are discussion clubs, so it's a good opportunity for you to practice French orally with other students and to discover their points of view about subjects that have an impact on your life. Clubs are 1 hour once a week, and the schedule depends on the club you choose. So you will give us your preferences and we will assign you a club, and it will be only on Monday or only on Tuesday or only on Wednesday or only on Thursday.
Options are thrilling periods focusing on different aspects of the language or on a specific skill. This is a great opportunity to practice by accomplishing authentic tasks linked to your interests. Those are 3 times a week. You will tell us your preferences and we'll form groups according to your choices. You will have to pick 3 choices between debate, creative writing, global issues, phonetics, Quebec culture, and slam.
The workshops are another kind of activity to keep practicing French in a different context, develop new skills and meet new friends, since there will be different groups for the French class. Workshops will let you create something and do activities in and outside your home. Every week you will have 2 different workshops. For example, cooking, photography, nature and outdoor, etc. Before the beginning of the program, you will select your preferences and we will assign you 2 of them. Workshops are on Wednesday and on Friday.
Once a week on Friday, you have well-being activities for 1 hour to take care of yourself, of your health, mentally and physically. And of course, to move. You'll have to pick a choice between dance, yoga, arts and craft, fitness, etc.
As you can see, the schedule changes every day, so you can enjoy summer with your friends and family, and also you don't have to wake up very early to be part of the different activities and classes. Only one day you will finish a little bit later, depending on the club that you're going to choose, and on Friday we finish a little bit earlier so you can enjoy the weekend. So you can do the program, enjoy your summer, and learn French and meet new friends all at the same time.
There are 2 different types of activities, the synchronous and the asynchronous ones. Classes, workshops, well-being activities, options, and clubs are the synchronous activities. So all of the students will connect together at the same time to do the activity with the teacher or a monitor. But there are also some activities that you will do on your own during your free time. So on weekdays, mornings or evenings, and also on weekends if you want, you decide. Those activities, some of them are mandatory and some of them are optionals. There are short videos and virtual visits like Ile d'Orléans, Montmorency Falls, iconic Quebec outdoor sites. We have also conferences, we have a talent show, circus, and a gala.
I hope this video gave you a little bit more information about the program, but especially I hope I will be able to see you online during the Level 1 program by Collège Saint-Charles-Garnier. Don't forget, 3 weeks, possibility to do 4 weeks in July, activities, workshops, and the possibility to meet new friends all over Canada and from other countries. Thank you.